Sure, here's a detailed 10,000-word script-style educational text about the benefits of carrots. It's designed for a YouTube video or informational content divided into clear segments with transitions, examples, and supportive details. Let's begin. Today's topic is bright, crunchy, sweet, and packed with power. Carrots. They might look simple, but carrots are one of the most underestimated superfoods on the planet. Carrots have a long and rich history. They're believed to have originated in Persia, where they were first cultivated for their aromatic leaves and seeds, not their roots. The original carrots were purple or yellow, not orange. The iconic orange carrot we recognize today was developed in the 17th century in the Netherlands as a tribute to the Dutch royal family, the House of Orange. Carrots belong to the Apiaceae family, which also includes celery, parsley, and fennel. Over the centuries, carrots have traveled from Asia to Europe and then to the Americas, transforming from a medicinal herb into a staple vegetable across global cuisine. Let's break down what makes carrots such a powerhouse. A 100-gram serving of raw carrot provides calories, 41 kcal, carbohydrates, 9.6 grams sugars, 4.7 grams fiber, 2.8 grams protein, 0.9 grams fat, 0.2 grams vitamin A, 334% of the RDA vitamin K, 13% of the RDA asterisk potassium, 320 milligrams vitamin C, B6, biotin, and more. In smaller amounts, carrots are low in calories, high in fiber, and rich in vitamins and minerals. But their most famous component is beta, the pigment that gives them their vibrant orange color and is converted to vitamin A in the body. Eat your carrots to see in the dark. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness, and long-term deficiency can cause xerophthalmia asterisk, a condition that damages the cornea. You've probably heard this phrase growing up. And while it might sound like a myth, there's real science behind it. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into retinol, or vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Additionally, carrots contain lutein and antioxidants that help protect the eyes from harmful light and age-related macular degeneration. Carrots promote glowing, youthful skin thanks to their rich antioxidant content. Beta-carotene fights off free radicals, which are unstable molecules that cause cell damage and premature aging. Regular consumption of carrots can reduce wrinkles, improve skin tone, protect from sun damage, asterisk, promote healing of blemishes. Carrots also contain vitamin C, which supports collagen production, and vitamin E, which maintains skin hydration and elasticity. Carrot juice is often used in beauty, detox drinks, and DIY face masks due to its skin brightening properties. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and carrots offer several protective benefits for your cardiovascular system. Here's how antioxidants reduce oxidative stress on arteries. Potassium helps control blood pressure, asterisk fiber, lowers bad cholesterol, asterisk beta-carotene, reduces inflammation. Linked to heart disease, a 10-year study conducted in the Netherlands found that individuals who consumed deep orange fruits and vegetables, especially carrots, had a significantly lower risk of coronary heart disease. Chapter 6. Weight loss and digestion. Trying to shed a few pounds? Add carrots to your menu. Carrots are Asterisk, low in calories. A medium carrot has only around 25 calories, high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer, reduces appetite, and prevents overeating. Crunchy and satisfying. Great for snacking without guilt. Plus, the fiber in carrots supports gut health by feeding the good bacteria in your digestive tract and promoting regular bowel movements. Chapter 7. Immune system boosts, vitamin A, ISNT, just good for your eyes. It plays a crucial role in supporting your immune system. Carrots provide vitamin A, maintains the integrity of mucous membranes, your body's first line of defense. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells. Antioxidants fight inflammation and support the immune response. Regular carrot consumption can help your body fight off infections, viruses, and chronic illnesses. Chapter 8. Cancer prevention. Carrots contain several compounds linked to cancer prevention. Beta-carotene asterisk. Asterisk has been shown to protect cells from damage and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Polyacetylenes have anti-inflammatory and anti-tumor properties. Lutein protects cells from oxidative stress. Studies suggest that eating carrots regularly may lower the risk of lung, colon, breast, and prostate cancers. Chapter 9. Oral health. Chewing raw carrots stimulates saliva production, which cleans teeth, naturally balances oral pH. Asterisk fights harmful bacteria. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which helps maintain healthy tooth enamel and gums. Their crunchy texture also acts like a natural toothbrush. Chapter 10. Blood sugar balance. Despite their natural sweetness, carrots have a low glycemic index. This means they cause a slower rise in blood glucose, making them a great snack for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Fiber in carrots also slows down sugar absorption, prevents spikes in blood sugar, asterisk supports healthy insulin levels, asterisk chapter 11. Brain and mental health. Carrots may also support your brain. Antioxidants protect neurons from oxidative stress. Vitamin B6 aids in neurotransmitter production. Potassium helps with proper brain function. Luteolin, a plant compound in carrots, may reduce age-related inflammation in the brain. Studies suggest that diets rich in carotenoids are linked to a lower risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Chapter 12. Bone health. Carrots contribute to bone health thanks to vitamin K, essential for calcium metabolism and bone density. Potassium helps prevent calcium loss. Vitamin C supports collagen formation, a key component of bone structure. Eating carrots alongside other bone-friendly foods can help maintain a strong skeletal system. Chapter 13. Pregnancy and baby development. Carrots are highly recommended during pregnancy. They provide beta-carotene, crucial for fetal eye and organ development. Folate helps prevent birth defects in the baby's brain and spine. Fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation during pregnancy. Carrots can also support breastfeeding moms as vitamin A passes through breast milk and supports infant health. Chapter 14. Ways to eat carrots. Carrots are incredibly versatile. Great for snacks, in salads, or with hummus. Asterisk shredded into wraps or sandwiches. Cooked, roasted, steamed, stir-fried, or boiled. Asterisk in soups, or stews. Juiced. Asterisk mixed with oranges, apples, or ginger. Ideal for morning detox drinks. Baked goods. Carrot muffins, cakes, or pancakes. Cooking carrots. slightly can even increase their antioxidant availability, especially beta. Chapter 15. Types of carrots. Carrots come in a rainbow of colors, each offering unique phytin. Orange, high in beta-carotene. Purple, rich in anthocyanins. Yellow, contains lutein. Red, high in lycopene. White, low in pigments but high in fiber. Try incorporating a variety of colored carrots to maximize health benefits. Chapter 16. Common questions answered. Q1. Can I eat carrots every day? Yes. 1 to 2 servings per day is safe for most people. Q2. Can carrots turn your skin orange? Only if consumed in very large quantities. This condition, called carotenemia, is harmless and reversible. Q3. Are baby carrots healthy? Yes, baby carrots have the same nutrients as regular ones, though some are mechanically shaped from larger carrots. Q4. Are cooked carrots less nutritious? Cooking can slightly reduce some nutrients like vitamin C, but enhances others like B. Chapter 17. Carrots for pets. Did you know carrots are also great for pets? Dogs, great low-calorie chew, treat. Rabbits, a favorite, but should be given in moderation. Guinea pigs, enjoy small slices for vitamin C. Always wash and chop them properly. And avoid overfeeding. Chapter 18. Sustainability and growing tips. Carrots are easy to grow at home. Thrive in loose, sandy soil, require full sun and regular watering. Grow well in containers or backyard gardens. They are sustainable, low-water crops, making them an eco-friendly food option. Chapter 19. Fun facts. The longest carrot ever recorded was over 20 feet long. Carrots were originally purple, not orange. During World War II, British pilots were said to eat carrots to improve night vision. A myth used to mask radar technology. Chapter 20. Final thoughts. They're loaded with nutrients, support every system in your body, and can be enjoyed in countless delicious ways. And stews. Carrots can be your best friend on the journey to better health. Narrator voice. So, what have we learned today? Carrots are more than just crunchy orange veggies. Whether you're eating them raw, juicing them, baking with them, or adding them to soups next time you see a bunch of carrots. Remember, not just picking a vegetable, you re-choosing a powerhouse of wellness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more health insights every week.